The year is 2025. The world is abuzz with change. We stand on the precipice of a new era, defined by the rise of artificial intelligence. This isn't just another upgrade, it's a fundamental reshaping of our world. The fifth industrial revolution integrates AI into every facet of our lives. Imagine a world where diseases are diagnosed before symptoms appear, where traffic flows seamlessly without human intervention, and personalized education caters to every student's needs. But with any revolution, there are challenges and ethical dilemmas. As we stand at this crossroads, we must approach these questions with curiosity and caution. Before we delve into artificial intelligence, it's crucial to understand the remarkable capabilities of its biological counterpart, the human mind. This 3-pound organ is the most complex structure in the known universe. The human brain is an intricate network of billions of neurons. This dance of electrical impulses and chemical messengers gives rise to our thoughts, emotions, memories, and dreams. Throughout history, the human mind has driven innovation. As we enter the era of AI, remember we're augmenting the human mind, not replacing it. To appreciate the magnitude of the fifth industrial revolution, let's take a step back and examine the transformative waves of innovation that preceded it. Each industrial revolution marked a significant shift in our relationship with technology, fundamentally altering the way we live, work, and interact with the world. The first industrial revolution, beginning in the late 18th century, saw the mechanization of production, powered by water and steam. The second industrial revolution, fueled by electricity and the assembly line, ushered in an era of mass consumerism and globalization. The third industrial revolution, often referred to as the digital revolution, began in the latter half of the 20th century with the advent of computers and the internet. Each of these revolutions brought about profound changes, reshaping societies, economies, and the very fabric of human existence. Now, we stand on the cusp of the fifth industrial revolution, driven by artificial intelligence, robotics, and the convergence of digital, physical, and biological systems. Artificial intelligence, once a futuristic concept confined to science fiction, is now a tangible reality, rapidly transforming our world. From self-driving cars navigating our streets to virtual assistants managing our schedules, AI is already permeating our daily lives. In healthcare, AI is being used to diagnose diseases with greater accuracy than human doctors, develop personalized treatment plans, and accelerate drug discovery. In finance, AI-powered algorithms are making investment decisions, detecting fraud, and automating trading with lightning speed. The driving force behind this AI revolution is the exponential growth of computing power, the availability of massive data sets, and advancements in algorithms like machine learning and deep learning. These technologies enable machines to learn from data, identify patterns, and make predictions with astonishing accuracy, often surpassing human capabilities in specific tasks. Researchers are developing AI systems capable of understanding and responding to natural language, recognizing and interpreting images and videos, and even composing music and creating art. Section 5. A world transformed life in the fifth industrial revolution. Imagine a world where personalized medicine is the norm, where robots assist with household chores, and where education is tailored to each student's unique learning style. In this future, transportation will be revolutionized by self-driving cars, reducing accidents, congestion, and our reliance on fossil fuels. Smart cities will utilize AI to optimize energy consumption, manage traffic flow, and improve public safety. Manufacturing will become increasingly automated, with robots working alongside humans, boosting productivity and efficiency. The nature of work itself will be transformed, with AI taking over repetitive and mundane tasks, freeing up humans to focus on more creative and fulfilling endeavors. New industries will emerge, creating countless job opportunities in fields like AI development, data science, and robotics engineering. However, this technological revolution also presents challenges such as job displacement, economic inequality, and the ethical implications of machines making decisions that impact human lives. Section 6. The invisible revolution: intelligence all around us. The fifth industrial revolution isn't just about robots and self-driving cars, it's also about the rise of invisible intelligence, an interconnected web of sensors, data, and algorithms that permeates our environment. This invisible revolution is fueled by the Internet of Things, a network of billions of devices, from smartphones and wearables to household appliances and industrial sensors, all connected and communicating with each other. These devices generate a constant stream of data, providing insights into our behaviors, preferences, and the world around us. AI plays a crucial role in making sense of this data deluge, identifying patterns and anomalies that would be impossible for humans to process. While this offers tremendous potential for improving efficiency, convenience, and safety, it also raises concerns about privacy, security, and the potential for misuse of our personal data. Section 7. When Machines Think: Navigating the Risks of Advanced AI. As AI systems become increasingly sophisticated, capable of learning, adapting, and making decisions autonomously, it's natural to ponder the potential risks and unintended consequences. One of the primary risks associated with advanced AI is the potential for unforeseen consequences. As AI systems become more complex, their decision-making processes can become increasingly opaque, making it difficult to predict how they will behave in novel situations. This black box problem raises concerns about accountability, transparency, and the potential for AI to make decisions that are harmful or even catastrophic. Another concern is the potential for AI to be used for malicious purposes, such as developing autonomous weapon systems, spreading misinformation, or creating sophisticated surveillance systems that erode privacy. It's crucial that we establish ethical guidelines and regulations for the development and deployment of AI, ensuring that this powerful technology is used for good and not for harm. Section 8. Enhancing Humanity, Transhumanism, and the Quest for Immortality. The convergence of AI, biotechnology, and nanotechnology is blurring the lines between the biological and the artificial, opening up radical new possibilities for enhancing human capabilities and extending lifespan. This burgeoning field, known as transhumanism, explores the potential for technology to fundamentally transform the human condition. One of the most ambitious goals of transhumanism is to achieve radical life extension, potentially even immortality. Researchers are exploring a variety of approaches, from developing therapies to slow down or reverse the aging process, to uploading human consciousness into digital substrates, allowing us to live on in virtual environments. While the potential benefits of transhumanism are vast, so too are the ethical and societal implications. Section 9. The Future of Intelligence: Beyond the Biological and Digital Divide. As we stand at the cusp of the fifth industrial revolution, it's becoming increasingly clear that the future of intelligence is not about a competition between humans and machines, but rather a convergence of the two. We're entering an era where biological and artificial intelligence will collaborate, augmenting each other's strengths, and creating a future that surpasses the limitations of either alone. Imagine a world where AI acts as an extension of our minds, seamlessly integrating with our thoughts and actions, providing us with instant access to information, enhancing our creativity, and helping us solve complex problems. This synergistic relationship between human and artificial intelligence has the potential to unlock new frontiers of knowledge, accelerate scientific discovery, and address some of the world's most pressing challenges. However, achieving this harmonious fusion of human and artificial intelligence requires careful consideration of ethical implications, ensuring that these technologies are developed and deployed in a way that benefits all of humanity. Section 10. The Ethical Frontier Steering Technology Towards a Brighter Future. The rapid pace of technological advancement, particularly in the realm of AI, presents us with profound ethical challenges. As we develop machines capable of making decisions that have real-world consequences, we must ensure that these decisions align with our values and serve the best interests of humanity. One of the most pressing ethical concerns is the potential for AI to perpetuate and even amplify existing biases. Since AI systems are trained on data, if that data reflects existing societal biases, the AI itself can inherit and perpetuate those biases, leading to unfair or discriminatory outcomes. Another ethical challenge is ensuring that AI is developed and deployed in a way that promotes human well-being and does not erode our autonomy or erode our sense of purpose. Addressing these ethical challenges requires a multifaceted approach, involving collaboration between AI developers, policymakers, ethicists, and the public. Embracing the possibilities of the fifth industrial revolution. The fifth industrial revolution, fueled by AI, promises unprecedented progress, transforming our world. By embracing this revolution responsibly, we can create a future where AI empowers humanity and solves our greatest challenges. This era will be marked by human-machine collaboration, enhancing creativity and innovation. Accelerated progress will lead to solutions for the world's most pressing problems. It is up to us to ensure AI benefits all of humanity,